Hello guys, welcome to this first model review where I'm talking. This review is about the Garuda Indonesia Boeing 777-300ER. It's a 1/400 scale from Phoenix. The registration of the airplane is PK-GIG. It's a pretty rare model. You can't really find them much with this color scheme, so I was happy to catch them. To the box, it's Garuda Indonesia registration. You can see 1/400 scale, platinum series. Again, Phoenix logo. The warnings. It's pretty like every box. Well, the Garuda colors, the nice computer printed airplane. In the back it says limited edition. It's a very rare limited edition. It's also Garuda again, the head of aviation, Boeing license, barcode. Again, the license of Boeing and some recycle. So, an awesome box. You also see in the back of the box is the Garuda logo, a little bit faded. The background. And the model from the right to the left, we have the cockpit with the Sky Team logo on it, the Boeing 777-300ER. To the left, right above the door, is the Indonesia land, is the flag for Indonesia, sorry. And we have a door with pretty nice details. The cargo door left bottom, and the windows. The Garuda logo again, Garuda Indonesia. Then some kind of wonderful Indonesia. Didn't exactly know what that is. The nice General Electric engines. A little bit zooming out. The wings of the registration. That's PK-GIG. Then again the doors with a lot of details, windows. This is a very detailed plane with antennas and yeah, you can see a nice tail of Garuda Indonesia. And then on the other side we have pretty much the same, as you can see. So, please, sharp, nice. Okay, let's go to the bottom. The front landing gear, to the Phoenix logo. It's also a pretty old model now. Not old, but not from last year. And then the main landing gear. Oh, it's a little bit. To the left and the right landing gear, as you can see here. You can also set it on a little tripod, I call it, stand. And the bottom of the colors of the tail. Yeah, underneath again the registration. So guys, in the future I will make it longer, but for now I can't tell you any more about this model. It's a 777-300ER. It's a very famous airplane. So guys, here you have it. The 777-300ER of Garuda Indonesia with the new colors, not the Sky Team colors, not the old colors. This is a pretty rare model. I repeat it because I really love it. Leave your suggestion in the comments what is wrong in this video or what can I do better. See you next time in the next model review. Bye.